Well, we're back up on the mountain again. This is my existing tractor barn. As you can see, we have our backhoe sitting here, our new little excavator sitting here, our Kubota tractor right over there, and our Willys Jeep on this side. I also have a PTO driven, I guess it's a wood chipper. I don't know what it's called. That we're kind of out of space and it's kind of just jammed in the front there. We also have our brush hog that's sitting outside. And I think you can see where we're going with this video. We are out of space. So we're going to do the right thing and load up our mini truck with all of our tools, head off to Lowe's to get a little bit of lumber and a few bags of concrete. And we need to build us a second tractor barn. Don't tell Mrs. P. Our existing tractor barn is down here. We have the sawmill, the tractor barn, the blacksmith shop. Further on up this road, I put a white stake over here. I think you might be able to see it. And a white stake over here. And that's about, I don't know, 24 feet or so. So that's pretty good. We have a big tree here, so that's kind of the limiting factor on this side. And there's a big tree down there that's a limiting factor on that side. There's some other trees in the back, but I think they're more than 10 feet back there, so they should be okay. So I used the new excavator and leveled off a little terrace here, picked a straight line with a string, laid out some of the 2x6s just so I know the exact spacing, and we're pouring footers. So what I have is just about a 1.5 foot deep hole. It's kind of a cone shaped. We pour one bag of concrete and then we level the top of it with one of these 12x12 pavers. I built all my other buildings like this. They seem to be doing okay. So we put one of these foundations at the corner, at the junction of the first 8 feet, at the junction of the next 8 feet, and all the way on this corner. That should work out okay on the front edge. And once those foundations are dry, we're going to go ahead and double up this front edge, overlapping the seams to make a nice heavy beam. Put it on those foundations and build legs underneath to support it. That sounds like a plan. And then we're going to build off of this front ledge 10 feet. Well, actually, I'm going to go 16 feet on that far edge for the first 8-foot bay. And these other 8-foot bays, we're going to just go 10 feet back. And the reason is there's a tree right there. I know we could cut the tree, but I don't think I need 16 feet deep across there. We could always add later if we want to. The reason I want that first bay 16 feet deep is to store my dump trailer. It's about 7 feet wide. The box is 10 feet long. And it has an overhang on the front about 5 feet. So 16 by 8 seems about right. We might make it a little bit wider, maybe 16 by 9. That'll work. The main reason I chose this site for the tractor barn is it's at the intersection of 2 roads. So we have the main road that goes in front of everything else. And then there's this other road that comes up to where I'm standing and keeps going straight up the hill. So it'll make it easy to pull the truck in here, head up this road, and back the trailer straight into that first bay. Sounds like a plan. So the grade slowly goes downhill this way. It's not too bad. It's probably a 6-inch drop by the time it gets to that other post. So I think I can just kind of level this out with gravel. We'll maybe dig the dirt away a little bit more, backfill the front with gravel, and that'll work out just about right. Now, unfortunately, I didn't film any of this initial site prep. It's kind of hard to use the camera with my gloves on and carrying bags of concrete and pouring water in the holes to mix the concrete. So we'll just catch you up on the progress as we make some. One of the biggest challenges is going to be to support the back edge of this shed, which is going to be back here somewhere. It's going to have about 4-foot tall legs to hold it up. But we've done that before on other structures, like our blacksmith shop and the other tractor barn. So that shouldn't be much of an issue. Well, now we have to let the foundations dry. So you guys get outside, do something fun. Come back and tell me about it.